Hello all, this is Shubhamoy from freshersworld.com. Welcome to our video channel on jobs and careers. Today I am bringing you the methods in which you can apply for UCIL. The Uranium Corporation of India Limited is a government organization established by the Department of Atomic Energy. It is focused on fulfilling the nation's need for uranium. When it comes to technical positions, the UCIL recruits diploma candidates through walk-in interview process. The candidates have to send the resume to the address mentioned in the job advertisement along with the documents requested in the same. For engineering positions, the company recruits both bachelor and master degree holders in specific fields of engineering as per the job recruitment. UCIL could conduct a written test and those who are selected would be called in for the interview process. The authorities have the rights to increase or decrease the number of selection levels based on the number of candidates applying for the position. Gate score is also considered for the UCIL recruitment of engineers, but it is not a compulsory recruitment like many other public organizations. For selecting a candidate, the company also looks for relevant studies undertaken by the candidates apart from the regular education. For instance, the job advertisement for industrial engineer jobs requires the candidates to have a degree or post-graduation in the industrial engineering, and along with that, the candidate should have knowledge in MIS preparation, right-sizing the manpower and ISO system monitoring. The science candidates, both bachelors and masters, that's BSc and MSc in physics, chemistry and maths, are selected for graduate trainee positions. For operational trainee positions, the candidates with high school education and certification in the trade of lab assistants are selected. For the selection process, the candidates have to attend a trade test and an interview process. For certain UCIL jobs, the candidates have to take up an initial medical test after getting selected in the final interview. Those who are certified to be fit by the medical officer of UCIL would only be selected. For most of the fresher positions, the candidates would be placed in training as a part of the job. The candidates would be asked to take up a written test if required, or would be selected based on the performance in the job and would be placed permanently in the job. Why freshersworld.com for UCIL job hunt? Freshersworld collects the latest UCIL job vacancies from the site and provides it in a consolidated view for the candidates. The site also provides details about the recruitments that happen in different states for various recruitments. The site also provides details about the selection process, test pattern, study materials, and reference book for the candidates to prepare online. To learn more about the disability criteria, the caste reservation, the method of selection, current vacancies, and requirements, get in touch with the official site of UCIL. To get a consolidated view of all the required details in the same page, get in touch with Freshers World. Remember that a lot of candidates would be competing for a position in UCIL. Thus, candidates might be competing with others who have higher educational qualification. It is important to stay prepared and informed for the selection process, and this is where Freshers World would make a difference in your profile. We will be back with more such videos, so stay connected to us.